These stunning images capture the moment when the Sakurajima volcano erupted and shot a huge ball of black smoke into the atmosphere over Japan. Mount Sakurajima, with a height of more than 1,400 meters, is seen engulfed in lava at its peak at around 12:45 local time on November 14. The lightning strike also struck an active volcano located in southern Kyushu, which is home to more than 600,000 people. Thick ash from the summit has reached more than 4,000 meters and continues to pollute the Pacific Ocean island. Luminous red lava dominates the night sky that can be seen from miles away. Sakurajima is located 855 miles, 1,377 kilometers from the capital Tokyo. The Japan Meteorological Agency continues to put Sakurajima on a level 3 alert, which advises residents not to approach the volcano. Volcano warning rose to level 5, meaning residents had to evacuate. This is the first time the volcano has flared up since July 16 and is the third eruption this year. Japan sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire with 110 active volcanoes and monitors 47 of them around the clock. About 90% of the world's earthquakes occur along the region. Sakurajima was responsible for one of the most powerful eruptions in Japan in the 20th century. On January 11, 1914, the volcano began to violently erupt with a large flow of magma. While no one died directly as a result of the eruption, 35 people died as a result of the earthquake that occurred 3 days later.